up, you guys? It's Monica and Melanie back with the YouTube.
It's Fluffy Minaj.
Fluffy Minaj 214.
I'm gonna cut all of y'all.
Okay,
Yeah.
Now you wanna act like I don't know what to do.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Fluffy Minaj and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm
Here with Monica. Hello.
And
Melanie.
my two best friends. Y'all go follow them. Links down below.
My birthday's tomorrow.
Anyways, today we're gonna do Guess That Snack Challenge. We have people that don't know what this challenge is. I'm just gonna give them snacks and they gotta guess or whatever, you know. We're basically just eating, but just whatever, you know.
Whoever like guesses first what it is or whatever, like gets a point, I guess, or whatever. I don't know.
And comment other challenges you want this thing to do.
I guess you can take over my channel since you're doing everything. Without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Like 50 Shades of Free.
How many fingers am I holding?
Wait, give it to us at the same time.
Yeah, give it to me in my hand, por favor.
Oh yeah, give it to us in the hand. Cause I'm scared. Ah!
Y'all fucking ugly, I swear to God.
Is it peaches?
It's my
It's the
asshole.
peaches sour candy, right?
It's my asshole.
It's
Yeah,
peaches.
it is.
It's peaches. I got it right. I said it first.
Ready, set, go.
Wait, I'm gonna be gummy bears. Is it gummy bears?
I don't know, Melanie, what do you think?
It is gummy bears.
Gummy
but
bears.
what flavor?
What flavor?
Oh, we have to get the flavor too.
Yeah.
Is it pineapple? Is it
it
orange?
green?
No,
Orange?
it's pineapple.
I knew it. I got it right, right?
Ready,
Is that a gummy worm?
set, go.
Is that a gummy worm?
It's orange.
Is it?
No, it's blue. It's a blue one.
No.
What's your final answer?
It's the red one.
Melanie's right.
Yep.
I said orange too,
I hate orange, bro.
Ready,
but.
set,
Is this a ruffle?
go.
I'm not gonna
Go,
eat it.
go.
Is it Lay's?
Lemon. My favorite, bro.
You didn't give me one.
You didn't give me one. Oh,
yeah,
let me show you this.
You gave me
Oh!
two. Wait. Is it airhead?
The rainbow
The
thing.
rainbow thing.
Yeah, both got it, but Melanie said it first. So,
This is my favorite too.
welcome to my channel. Today
Oh my god, you're creepy.
Turbo.
They both said it at the same time.
Oh no.
What is it?
It's a cookie. It's a fish.
Oh,
it's a fish.
Swedish fish.
Ew, I can't do this.
You gotta eat it. Quit playing with me. Ready, set, go.
Cheez-Its.
I love Cheez-Its, bro. Ruffles.
But what flavor?
Buffalo, I am not eating.
No.
Cool Ranch. Cool
Melanie.
Ranch.
It's a spicy one.
It's not buffalo.
Yes, it
Is
is.
this
It's
spicy?
flaming hot.
Who is it? Oh, her man's.
Hello?
That's it for this video, guys. Remember, if you like to give it a big thumbs up, share, subscribe down there because I post whenever people want to. So turn that notification on.
Do that. You won't
Follow them
regret
on
it.
Instagram. Follow them on Instagram and Snapchat. I'm gonna put it down below. So honestly, go follow them because I need a man. Bye.
If this video gets more than 100 likes, I'll cut my hair and I'll go live and I'll send it to Omar so he can post it for you.
Bitch, you're fucking ugly.